Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, since the RBA rate decision yesterday, the bulls are continuing to navigate the market higher. However, as we get closer towards its 60-day moving average, closely seen roughly as I click on it at 71.80 to maybe a little bit of slippage to 72 cents, is the market may struggle to sustain any gains. However, with the dollar slightly weaker and all eyes on the non-farm payrolls numbers this week, which expects a weaker number, could see a bit of a whipsaw price action once again. As we look at the euro, it edges higher closer to that 113 figure 15 area as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has slipped slightly further. However, I do feel the market's not too far away from staging a recovery in the US dollar and therefore see a rejection from this top side and eventually see the euro pull back to 111 for the grand challenge. The dollar yen has slightly some safe haven demand coming back into the market due to the Russia-Ukraine tension, and also the market's a little bit uncertain when it comes to the recent dollar weakness, is that some safe haven demands coming back into dollar yen, but not likely to sustain too long. I feel the market, as it slides towards 113.60, could see a reversal and then see a regain back towards that top side of the range. Sterling, well, all eyes on the Bank of England this Thursday with a 25 basis point hike expected. However, let's see what the statement says. If it's a little bit more of a dovish statement, then we could see some weakness in the pound. But overall, I feel since the break above that 135 area is that we are looking up towards 135.70, maybe on to 136.60 as the technicals are strengthening up. Finishing off with CAD yen and gold and oil, the market's still moving sideways for CAD yen, but still poised for a move towards the bottom side of the range, 89.60, with gold struggling to capture further momentum since rebounding up that 1,788. Still feel the downside is the risk due to the way the technicals are set up, and therefore could see a move through 1,788 and down towards the base, around the broader base of 1,757.64. And finishing up with oil, well, you have to ask yourself this pattern here. We've got two dojis and two hanging men when it comes to the Japanese candlesticks, and therefore overbought indicator. A weak MACD suggests that we may be close to the top of the range, around $88 to $90 a barrel, and expects a pullback to around 81 and reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.